button.
You've turned the red button on, that should turn the recording on.
It is flashing red.
There you go.
Good deal.
No big deal if it's not...
Looking good.
All right, we are just about at 3,000. We are at 90. We are at 252, 253.
Just getting some analyzation pictures.
Some Instagram material?
Yeah.
Different?
Comparing what this pulls compared to Delta Echo.
Oh, okay.
Fuel levels, altitudes, manifold pressure, VSI.
Oh, I have to tell you that I've flown out a whole bunch of R44s.
Yep.
There's no one setting that is the magical number for any of them.
There's not, but there is a ballpark.
Yes, yes.
So we're pulling 21 inches now. Cruise flight at 97 knots. Just 20 and a half, 20 and 1. Almost 3,000. So temperature's 19, was 20.
Yep.
So that's about average for full tanks of fuel and our weight. Now if you get in a helicopter and you start pulling 23 and 24 at the same setup with the same weights, obviously something's not quite right with that aircraft.
Yeah, or your density altitude.
And that's what the other aircraft was doing.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, there's all early indicators, right, of things not being quite right. So.
Just like if you used to lose one mag, you're going to start pulling that more manifold pressure.
Yep.
Because you have a loss of efficiency in your engine.
So I'm now going to incorporate in my scan the lower GPS because I have had some trouble when I put my eyes down to the screen that I seem to be dipping down a little bit. So I need to keep an eye on that, obviously. .17 knot winds coming from my right side. Like 2 o'clock.
There. Let's maintain our airspeed.
Okay.
Let's climb up to 4,000.
Maintain airspeed, climb to 4,000, heading 250.
That is correct, sir.
Right, I'm just going to add a little power to it.
I'm going to zoom in on this map over here. I'm not sure why it's blacked out instead of being green like normal, but... Let's increase that power to max takeoff power limit.
23.
23 is our MCP, right? Max continuous power.
Max continuous power at 2,000, 4,000 feet is 21.8 plus 2.8 is 25. You want to go all the way to 25?
Yes, sir. Ah, there we go. Let's take it to 4.5.
4,500. Let me get my heading back since I was looking down and drifted over to the right.
Taxi hotel intersection departure.
Maintain that airspeed though.
You want me to go back to 90, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry, you said you had.
I was working on that.
Thank you.
As you can see, my left leg, the margin of me manipulating anything is minimal here.
Yeah.
The funny thing is when I showed up for my final check ride, he says, "Oh, by the way, where Mike Whiskey is," you say, "What?" I said, "I've never even been in there."
Coming up on that altitude.
And we're reducing power, and we'll pick up speed.
Looking to depart to the south.
Copy 163 to hotel, depart to the east, pass south of Air National.
We're going to stop listening to him. We're on with MGJ, but we're 11 to the south and headed away from him, so.
Okay.
Summit traffic, cap 735, left.
Good. Let's make a right turn.
Quakertown traffic, Archer.
Make a right turn.
Heading standard rate on a heading of 300.
300.
That is correct.
Alpha is entering a right downwind for 22 midfield, Orange County.
Summit traffic, cap 735, left downwind 35, summit traffic.
Quakertown traffic, Archer 308, Foxtrot Alpha, left downwind runway 29, Quakertown.
Orange County radio check on frequency.
Loud clear, Orange County.
Watch that altitude.
Yep. I have to trade out altitude with speed over here and lose that again.
About 5 mile final for 22 Orange County traffic. Quakertown traffic, Archer 308, Foxtrot Alpha. Simulated engine out, left downwind runway 29, Quakertown.
Let's descend back down to 3,005.
3,500. And maintaining speed and heading.
Yes. And push at least a 500-minute descent rate, please.
Okay. Coming up right there.
Summit traffic, cap 735, left base 35, summit traffic.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 133 Delta Alpha, right base 22, Orange County.
$3,500 you said, right?
Yes, sir. Heading 300.
Yeah, I'm getting back. I made a couple of corrections that didn't really respond all that well to me.
Orange County traffic, airport town, 4 mile final.
I had to slap that bitch a little bit to get that back in.
Diamond on ADSB, but don't have a visual. Orange County traffic, Diamond 133 Delta Alpha, turning final 22, Orange County.
116, turning left crosswind for 17.
And I got that traffic.
24 knot wind now from the 11 o'clock.
Keep this descent
Ground speed
in.
is 79. Keep the descent in.
Okay, right turn, standard rate, 180 degrees to a heading of 110.
110 right turn, standard.
Radio call.
Copy, thank you.
Standard rate.
Check the traffic. Warrior 116, turning left down.
Clutch light is on. 1, 2, 3, and that came back off. That's good.
In Orange County traffic, lights forward.
Cleared to the right.
2.5 mile final, I have the Diamond inside Orange County.
Down to 3,000.
Down to 3,000. Okay. And heading of 110.
Yes, sir.
Quakertown traffic, Archer 308 Foxtrot Alpha, exiting the pattern to the west. Quakertown traffic, final call.
traffic, Pilatus 812 November Charlie is 15 nautical miles off to the south. We're going to be coming straight in runway 35. Summit traffic.
I went too late on that one.
Orange County traffic, light support at 1 mile final.
All right, 3,000. Pick up speed a little bit more power, a little bit forward.
That's pretty good. Overshot the heading by a little bit.
Yeah.
Had a little bit of a nose dip and back up and down again there towards the end. So we lost some airspeed essentially at the midway through that turn. We started to gain it back, and then we kind of went back down that roller coaster on the backside of it. So.
Oh, you want to be entertained?
Yeah. I didn't want a boring flight for sure. I mean, no, you was doing good. So, scan was good. Your bank angle was right about where it needed to be.
Right in the middle between the second and third take, right? 7.5.
Well, it's 15% of your airspeed.
Yeah.
So
10% is 9, 14 degrees. Right at 90.
Right. But we slowly slowed down on that airspeed, so that's going to change your bank angle. So 85 puts you at about that 13 degree bank angle there. Yeah, 12 and a half.
That's 10, 20, 30, 45, 60.
Every line so far is a 10. The big line is a 30.
45 is not there at 90, of course.
45 is on there.
A little wide, no one coming behind you.
Just got to turn far enough.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, this is
We're going to the run-up
digital.
at the end of 220.
It's right there now.
Yeah, that one's right there, but this one does have a big triangle on it as well.
Okay.
Aircraft on Alpha 3, are you going back to the hangar or are you taxiing back for takeoff?
Let's maintain that 3,000 minimum.
West, call Princess.
Awesome, thanks, appreciate it.
Summit traffic, Pilatus 812 November Charlie, 10 nautical miles off.
Okay, traffic helicopter 1630 Hotel is about 2 miles on a 2 mile left base for runway 26. Orange.
And autopilot's going to come on.
Okay, autopilot is on.
Autopilot's on.
Engaged at 3,000 feet, a heading of 112. Your controls?
My controls, go ahead and set us up for the ILS 4 into Orange County.
Orange County traffic, Sirius 4116.
Load APPR or just load the approach? Load and activate, right?
Load and activate.
Low approach.
And we're going to go via stuff or settle? Settle?
Yes, please, settle.
Oh, that's back.
Thanks, guys, appreciate it.
Anytime.
So the approach is settle to stuff.
Yes.
And then the missed approach is back to Juggernaut. Okay. And that's VLOC. Now we go back to the...
we don't want VLOC yet, right?
No, we want that on the final...
Summit traffic, Pilatus 812.
Now you just go back, now it is active, it should be back to the map.
Okay, traffic.
And now it should be able to...
final runway 26, orange.
If I'm here, stuff is to my left.
Bringing in a right turn.
Well, I mean, right now you're just intercepting the magenta line. But that doesn't really make sense on the, because it should give me instruction on the flight plan, right?
So hit your back button, go back into flight, select SEATL.
Orange County traffic, wait, Sirius
And
On the RNAV 28, low approach.
Do a hold at the waypoint?
Yes.
Orange County.
Hold
Just
south
select load hold between the 1200. All the way to your right. Load hold.
Okay.
Now hit your back button.
And now the map.
Map.
And I can see settle.
Good.
I have work in front of me. That means I have...
We don't want to be in VLOC mode though. We want to be in GPS mode. Back, default nav, GPS, or select CDI. There you go. Map.
Okay. So this would be required in a right-hand turn back to settle.
Yes.
And then execute a hold from there.
Yes.
Okay.
Your controls.
My controls.
Your controls.
Okay, we had 0, 3000. We have to maintain 3000 above. Make a standard rate turn to the right.
Watch that airspeed slowing down.
For an advisory 4, transfer radio check.
So just a question right now, on the magenta line, so obviously I can see I'm heading towards the magenta line. If I can intercept it and take it, but I don't see any...
So let's come back this way.
Yeah.
Don't intercept it that hard. Because you'll blow past Seattle. We need to come back to the left just a little.
A little bit more. Yeah.
There you go.
At Seattle, I can descend from 1800 down.
Watch that altitude.
Yeah.
Come back to your left a little.
Orange County traffic, Sirius 413 Kilo. Breaking off the approach, depart to the southwest. Orange County.
The other day I was flying, this would then bring up the hold pattern on the GPS as well. I'm not seeing it now. And is this the magenta line that we're intercepting, right? That's coming into me now?
Yes.
And the hold should be to the south, so it should be a left turn. And it should be a parallel because it's in at the reverse course. Is that correct?
Start bringing in that right turn.
Bring in the right turn, direct.
Where did you load that hold at stuff? Or before stuff, I mean?
I thought it was at Settle, and hold to the south of Settle.
Orange County traffic.
Which we are now heading to the north of Settle.
Taking off runway 22, right close traffic, Orange County.
Oh, that's why. It's because you got loaded in transition. We've got to change it from vectors. All right, descend down to 1,800. Yeah, it was set up for vectors. That's why I wasn't plotting your course. Very efficient.
And I still need to go a little bit to my left to intercept the magenta line.
So we're in V-lock mode.
Yeah.
Got our glide slope.
Yeah.
So maintain that glide slope.
Chester traffic, we're in 116, turning left across.
Right now we're a little low.
7, Chester.
Right? When the bubble is high.
Make a radio call, you're 8 out from Orange County.
For an ILS 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Orange County from helicopter 813 Mike Whiskey, 8 miles to the south of the airport for practice ILS 4, Orange County.
Chester traffic, Warrior 1.
Trim us up a bit, more right pedal, sir.
7 will be departing to the northeast.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, thank you. My back feels better. Maintain that airspeed.
Yep.
Watch the descent rate though, slow the descent rate down just a touch. There you go.
Yeah, I mean, the bubble high means we are low.
Yes.
It's so
Means like the actual glide slope that we should be on is above us.
Yeah. Yeah, we are low to the glide slope.
Yes, we are low.
I never understood why they made that. It's so counterintuitive.
8 Lima Alpha, departing northwest, 1822, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7949 Fox, 10 mile final ILS 4. We're going to circle for 22, make it a full stop, Orange County.
We're good to glide slope coming to 2000, going to 1800, 85. We are slightly to the right of the course.
I can call your 6 out on the ILS 4.
Orange County helicopter 813 Mike Whiskey, 6 out on the ILS 4 for Orange County.
Orange County traffic, 133 Delta Alpha, right downwind 22, Orange County.
Alright, we are almost at settle at 1800. That's
We're
perfect
almost at
timing.
stuff.
Oh, stuff, I mean, sorry, stuff. At 1800, so we can continue to descend on the same glide path from here down to minimums, which is what, 720? Glide path is good.
Minimums are 960 or 682. Sorry, 682.
Yeah, so 700.
But we're going to break off early.
Okay.
Since they're running 22.
Now, we're still on GPS into ILS 4. Do we need to change that? Oh, we have VLOC already, so okay.
Yes.
So we see the needle should be coming.
We need to get our course, so.
Yeah. So let me make a little bit of correction over here and bring that in.
There you go.
And the needle is moving. We're right on the glide path. 80, 1,300. We can now go back slowly to 036 heading as the not too fast, not too slow. Okay.
And Fox,
3,100.
runway 22. Do you have us inside here? We see you straight over the DSP.
Altitude, 1 mile.
Our center.
I got 1.5 miles final that we're breaking off to the west.
We break.
Yep.
1.5 miles south.
Start that turn.
Orange
Now?
County traffic,
Start the turn now.
To the left?
Yes, sir.
22, Orange County.
Orange County helicopter 813 Mike Whiskey, breaking off the ILS 4 Orange County.
To the west.
Orange County traffic, how do you read this radio?
I got you loud and clear.
Keep the airspeed.
Yeah.
And Orange County
Bring a little
traffic,
power
I'm
back
going
to
to
the
say
turn.
Alpha's early right crosswind departure to the northwest for traffic, Orange County.
Alright, bringing power back
Orange County
in.
traffic, I'm in
Getting
851
into
Sierra, is
incline.
about 6 miles to the north, going to be entering on a
Stay,
45.
hold altitude.
Right
Hold
downwind
altitude.
for runway 22, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, Skyhawk departing runway 22 will be northbound.
Orange County traffic, 133 Delta Alpha, we're turning final for 22, Orange County.
Hold altitude.
Roger, Skyhawk will hold.
Copy, thank you.
Westbound 270, sir.
Westbound 270.
And I've got all three controls.
You got all three controls.
Load in the VOR 8, please.
Is on a 5-mile final ILS 4.
Alright, VOR 8.
Will join the map in 1400 Orange County traffic.
Orange County helicopter 13
let's see, that was procedure.
3 to the west at 1,300
Right.
westbound.
And it is an approach, and it's we want to do a VOR 8, and we want to load and activate, and we are going to Oregon.
We're going to Huguenot.
Then Huguenot via, okay, final approach from Oregon, so go. Okay, so this is now put in, then we go back to the map. And then if we default nav,
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7949.
V-lock, right?
Is on a 3-mile
Or we do that on a GPS to Huguenot and then VOR from Huguenot into, we change it at that time.
GPS all the way there.
All the way there. Okay, now it should be on the map. And we have a heading. Desired track is 079. That's opposite of where we are. Oh, that is when we come back, of course.
There you go.
So right now it's the opposite out.
Runway 22 will be northbound.
Orange County traffic, 133 Delta Alpha.
Okay, GPS is on there, GPS 1 on there. We don't see the magenta line over there though. But is that correct setup now, David?
Well, it says it's suspended. Why does it say it's in suspend?
Unsuspend.
Okay.
Okay, now we have the magenta line, so we're slightly to the right of that. We need to go to the left.
Orange County traffic, Cessna
15 mile an hour headwinds. We are 2 miles.
is joining.
But this should now adding up because we're flying away from the airport from VOR 8.
So go ahead and hit your back button.
We need to
Hit your procedure button.
procedure button.
VOR 8 again. Select from, see how it says vectors?
Yeah.
Select the hue.
Huguenot.
Load and activate.
Orange County traffic, helicopter 30 South.
And now back.
From the Bravo taxi.
And that should map, and that should now bring us up.
To the Huguenot VOR.
Huguenot desired track 258, we're 277. And that gets us to, okay, very good. And I got all three.
You got all three.
And we are 3,000 plus, so that's good for Huguenot.
Traffic, I'm in 851 Top Sierra, is about 6 miles to northwest, going to be entering on a 45 downwind, runway 22, Orange County.
Maintain what you got.
258.
Don't climb. 35 is good. Yeah, if you don't change that vectors, then
Yes, yes.
then it's just thinking the ATC is vectoring you there.
Orange County traffic.
So bring in that airspeed, push that nose back forward.
13 miles north of the field.
There you go.
RNAV 22, full stop, Orange County.
Good job.
Desired track 258, 261.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7949 Fox is being
Go to the right pedal.
22, full stop, Orange County.
You know what? Let's climb to 4,000.
All right, climb to 4,000.
Yeah.
Orange
We're
County
at
traffic,
power.
white pit, 10 miles to the south and bound for right downwind 22, Orange County.
Sorry about that.
Okay. It's an unusual attitude recovery after you touch it.
What's that?
It's an unusual attitude recovery after you touch it.
Yeah. Bump the controls. Unusual attitude
County
recovery.
traffic, Cessna 7949 Fox, turning right base 22, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 851 Papa Sierra, on a 5 mile 45, right downwind, runway 22, Orange County.
Trim, buddy, trim. There you go.
Let me add that to my scan.
Yeah, it's usually the last one to get thrown into a scan on instrument stuff. But if you ever feel like you're sliding towards your door, like you're twisting that direction, that's probably the pedal you need to push on.
Orange County traffic, Cirrus 410 Kilo, 10 miles northeast on the RNAV 222, full stop, Orange County. Orange County traffic, Skyhawk 657 Sierra Papa is 10 to the south, going to maneuver west of the field for the midfield downwind for 22 on a 45, Orange County.
I'm going to clean that up a little bit, that heading.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 851 Papa Sierra, on a 3 mile 45, downwind, runway 22, Orange County.
Not so much nose. There you go.
Prince of traffic, 8 Mike Charlie, departing the pattern to the northeast.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7.
All right, lights right on top. We're doing good on the bottom. Good on fuel with 4,000 at 90.
Orange County
It's
traffic,
tracking
Diamond
good.
851 Papa Sierra.
With 5.5 miles to Huguenot.
I've got crosswind traffic in sight, Diamond 1 Papa Sierra.
Orange County traffic, White Cirrus 410 Kilo, now 6.5 miles straight in on the RNAV 22, practice, full stop, Orange County.
You want to do a hold at Huguenot, or we're just going to make a follow the instructions on the screen to?
Yeah, let's do a hold.
7949 Fox.
Sounds good to me.
Right downwind 22, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 851 Papa Sierra, turning right base, runway 22, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, Cirrus 410 Kilo, 4 mile final, 22, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 851 Papa Sierra, turning final, runway 22, Orange County.
3.2 nautical miles out, 90, 4,000, a little-ish, 90.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7949 Fox, beam the numbers 22, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, Cirrus 410 Kilo, 2.5 mile final. I have the traffic ahead of me, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7949 Fox will extend its downwind.
Keep that scan going.
Orange County.
Yep. I was just trying to figure out the hold.
Orange County traffic, blue and white pits on the right downwind runway 22, Orange County.
So the inbound is 08, the outbound is 260. And we're coming in at it,
Probably a teardrop.
yeah, that'd probably be the best.
Yeah.
Crossover, make a left. 30 degrees.
Orange County traffic.
30 seconds and pick back up 260. Outbound and then making a
Well,
standard turn.
it's a 1 minute hold.
Yeah, but 30 seconds with a teardrop and then 30 seconds out and then make the turn.
I'm thinking 1 minute out.
Yeah, but the teardrop it requires a left-hand turn about 30 degrees.
Oh, 30 degrees.
So
Okay.
do 30 degrees, 30
Yeah.
seconds, 260, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and then
Yeah, I
come back.
understand what you're saying, but don't turn yet.
Clear runway
Yeah,
22,
no.
Orange County.
Wait for that
0.8 miles.
I thought you was talking 30 seconds to do a teardrop.
Oh,
Wait
no,
a
no,
minute,
no,
what?
No. It just says you hold teardrop and they like to give me instructions too.
Watch that
Luxury.
altitude, watch that altitude.
Or between 3 to 5,
Well,
above 3,000.
we're supposed to hold at 4 to 6.
Is it 4 to 6 you got?
Yes, sir.
Then I better correct that. In the 0.3 miles that I have left. All right, we're going to make it 30 degree to 226.
Cleared my side, cleared your side.
Orange County traffic, blue and white pits, turning right base, runway 22, Orange County.
And that's about approximately 30 seconds. We'll turn back to 260.
Northwest.
And we're at 4,000.
For landing on runway 22.
Orange County traffic, Fox 6570 Sierra Pop is on a 2 mile 45, the right down for 22.
30 seconds more on 260.
Orange County traffic, pit, turning final 22, Orange County.
Orange County Automated Advisory. Click here, Mike 3 times for an advisory 4 times for radio check.
Okay, 25, we're going to make a standard bay turn to the right to pick up 080. Trim.
Orange County Skyhawks joining the right down for 22 at midfield. Orange.
Papa Sierra, you could go ahead of me. I'm going to taxi back to my hangar.
Okay, thank you.
Orange County traffic, Cessna 7949 Fox is clear at 22, Orange County.
Princeton traffic, Diamond 412 Papa Juliet, departing runway 28 northbound.
Look at a little white. I can intercept that back, of course.
Trim us up a little. There you go. Watch the bank angle. So your bank angle is starting to hit a steep bank.
Closed over here.
I'm also getting pushed now, right? But I want to go back to intercept.
Oh, I just see it now. I'm so sorry.
Now I want to go back to 080.
Orange County 657 Sierra Papa is right base 22, touch and go Orange.
So instead of overshooting in to shoot back out, start rolling out just a little bit.
A little earlier.
Traffic,
Okay.
Navajo's inbound, 10 miles to the north. We'll be entering a downwind right pattern for runway 28, Princeton traffic.
So coming out of the Huguenot hold to the, we can continue, this will automatically go on the magenta line to 08?
I mean, yes. Essentially, you're rolling out on your course, right?
Yes.
You might be a little bit off, but you just want to roll out onto your course.
Yeah.
Orange County
So you've got the
traffic,
flag flip.
22 orange.
So direct course is 079.
Yeah. So I'm slightly to the right of that.
And you kind of shortchanged yourself a little bit in the procedure turn.
I did?
Yes. So initially, when you brought your bank in, it was a little excessive. You didn't quite make it quite excessive with the initial turn into it.
Yeah.
So a little bit less on that bank would have been a little bit more, comfortable.
Finesse.
Would have been, yes. And then on the back side of the rollout, you was watching that pink line more and more, and you was trying to stay on it, so your bank just kept coming in more and more. When initially, when you started that, your bank was less than what it should have been. So you was rolling out at about a 8 to 11. You was kind of bouncing back and forth in between that. And then throughout the backside of it, you kept turning steeper and steeper to try to maintain what you had. So we got a pretty high descent rate in right now.
Yeah, 500 feet. Now, what is the next marker on the map over here? That is 6.6 miles away.
Origin.
And it's at how many feet? 1,800?
So Origin, 2008.
2,800, okay.
Yes.
So we can descend to 2,800 now.
Yes.
22 right close, orange.
So maintain the altitude, or excuse me, maintain the airspeed, but bring the altitude down.
Just a heads up, arrow at Princeton. Traffic is left.
Watch that course.
Roger.
Yeah, we're still trying to intercept the green, the magenta line.
Yep.
Pattern for runway
Just don't forget it.
Yeah.
Orange County traffic, White Cherokee 0 Fox, beam the numbers for 22 Orange County.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 851 Pop Sierra, departing runway 22, right close traffic, Orange County.
Oh, thanks. That helped me out a lot.
Jerky. Let me make that back to 279 now. Don't lose that.
So
2,500 to 2,800.
For runway 28, present traffic.
So we can descend down to no less than 2,800 by Origin.
Yeah.
And then we can turn around and descend on down to an MDA of 1,220, no less than 1,220 to Zogel.
Okay.
And the straight in 8, guess what? Has an MDA of 1220. So that's going to be our MDA all the way from Zogel on out.
Runway 26,
1220.
traffic.
Yes, sir.
Orange County traffic, South 6570, pops right downwind 22 Orange.
Go ahead and make a 10-mile out call for the VOR 8.
Orange County helicopter 813 Mike Whiskey, 10 miles to the south of the 08 VOR, Orange County.
Be actually west.
Oh, west. Southwest, west? I can't see outside. West.
West. What do you say? Yeah, come on.
You got stuff down there. What's your location? Navajo, starting
All right.
downwind, runway
We're coming in
28,
through 2,000 to 2,800. We're on a good heading, we're a good track.
Yes, sir.
We can bring power back in slowly.
851 Pop Sierra, turning right cross.
Origins in what distance?
1.7 nautical miles. So we
Good job.
keep it the way it goes. We can actually continue to descend right down to 1,200, you said?
Well, we got to stop at 2.8.
Yeah, at 1.4.
Yes.
We have I met it up correctly.
Yes.
We can continue to descend.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 851 Pop Sierra, right downwind, runway 22, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, helicopter 32, left downwind, runway 26, Orange.
0.8 miles. So we'll maintain that.
Watch that course.
Yeah, I have to take a bite back. Slipping away from me a little bit.
Sneaking away from you, wasn't it?
Yes. Close. The more sensitive it gets, like a woman, the closer you get to him, right?
Hold that altitude, hold that altitude.
Yep.
Orange County traffic, Skyhawk is
Alright, 3.8 miles. Continue to descend down to 1,200, correct?
1220. 1220. Maintain less than 90.
Final 28, present traffic.
Origin is our final approach fix, so we can no longer exceed 90 knots.
High left base, runway 26, orange.
Orange County traffic.
Now, the green line
Final 22, touch and go orange.
is very, I mean, that will be the sensitivity to 08, right? The magenta line is just telling me a straight line how to get there, correct? Is my correct interpretation?
Yes, but is VLOC mode on?
It is, no.
It is no.
It is now.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 851, Papa Sierra, right base, runway 22, Orange County.
Orange County traffic, helicopter 30 Delta, high final for runway 26, orange.
Oh, so that was confusing me then, that the green lines. Ah, okay.
Make a 5 mile out call, sir. 4 mile. Check
To
that.
the west.
4 to the west.
Okay.
We'll be breaking off early.
Orange County helicopter 813 Mike Whiskey, 4 to the west of 08. Orange County will be breaking off to the west.
Oh, we're very breaking off early.
1.3 miles. We're coming through 2,100.
Heading.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 851, Papa Sierra, final, full stop, runway 22, Orange County.
079 desired heading. So this is the, I will need to bring that to the middle as well. So I'm actually well to the left of the course. Not a lot.
Orange County traffic, track 657 Sierra, Papa's on the go.
Let me correct that down.
Orange.
Let's see if that helps.
Sogol is at 0.2.
0.2, yeah, and then we need to maintain 1,200 not below it. We're over 2.6 miles to go. And it has not come in yet. I'm interpreting that correct, right? This is this should be coming center?
And break off to the left, turning 360 left.
Left 360.
Yes, sir.
Orange County traffic, helicopter 30 I'll take off runway 26, left traffic, orange.
I call it your 2 to the west, breaking off the VOR 8 northbound. Maintain airspeed.
Orange County 813 Mike Whiskey, 2 to the west, breaking off the 08 to the west.
To the north.
To the north, 813 Whiskey. Or whatever, Mike Whiskey. Maintain altitude off to the 360. And you pick up a little bit of speed.
Orange County traffic, 657 Sierra Papa is right crosswind 22 behind the helicopter, orange.
Are you seeing other traffic out there, I assume?
360.
Yeah, okay, almost there. Trim, 360,
altitude
90, altitudes, maintain.
Climb back up to 3,000, please.
Climb back up to 3,000, we're at power.
Orange County traffic, Diamond 851, Papa Sierra, clear, runway 22, Orange County.
I got the cyclic.
You got the cyclic?
Push and hold the home button, please.
The home button?
Orange County traffic, white check.
Top right.
Top right.
Push and hold.
22 for departure.
Push and hold.
Hold on the home button. Hold on.
Hold on the home
Orange County
button.
traffic,
Okay.
Skyhawk, 657
So,
Sierra Papa's right down.
Brings up default nav, right?
Yeah.
So push and hold on the knobs over there. Push and hold on the ladle knob.
This one?
Yes, sir.
Hold?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That changes frequencies?
Okay. Push. You got all three.
I get all three.
Let's see that for you. You got all three?
I get all three.
Maintain heading.
Maintain heading.
Cool. All right, so I told you wrong. That was my bad. Instead of push and hold, you just tap on it.
Okay.
So notice what's showing up. Notice how it says nav and not com.
On the top right hand?
Yep.
Yes.
Notice how it says com now?
Yes. The one is a nav 8, the other one is a com 8.
Tap on that, turns it over to nav.
And it's tracking the ILS, whatever, 111.17. It tracks the needles.
Yeah, 111.7 is not for the VOR.
No, it's for something else. I have to look at the map.
Yeah. So it was giving us the course to come in.
Orange County traffic.
Most likely
6570 Sierra Papa's a right base runway 22.
the ILS 4.
Ah, that's why it started to the right.
Yes.
To the south, final call, Orange County.
So
that would
we
make
didn't
sense.
swap frequencies to have the.
It was counterintuitive. Oh, I mean, it was telling me one thing and I'm seeing something else.